Hello everyone, this is Juan Sarmiento and today is Thursday, March the 19th. Okay, so it looks like the market has begun a little bit of a bounce, and as I told you before, I believe that there will be a little bit of a bounce. I'm not sure how far we will go with it, but it's perhaps time to take a profit on the downside and begin to look for bullish trades. So let's go to the monitor tab first and see what we got there. So far this year, I have a profit of $5,459. Okay, you remember that we started this account with $30,000 somewhere in September, October. And so we have 3,000 really in profit because at first we went down, okay? The market seemed to be wanting to go up and up forever, and now we see the consequence is a big reversal. Okay, I'm going to click here on P&L and look at those trades that we have. Yeah, it looks like nothing to change. Let's look at Eli Lilly here. Big drop today. And this is expiring tomorrow. Guess what is going to happen? It's going to expire in the money. Both puts are in the money, and so we will be taken out. Unless, of course, the stock goes above 135. I don't anticipate that, but we'll see. So it says Eli Lilly here, we're at 84%, tomorrow will be 100%. Let's look at Cisco. I think I have a bullish trade on it. Yes, indeed. And at first, we had a big loser, now it's bouncing back. And you see we have a diagonal here, and it's working great. Okay, that's exactly what we need to do when we are bottoming out. Try those diagonals, they're worth it. Okay, let's look at other bullish trades I have selected for us. Okay, so you know the drill. I have picked them based on a specific entry point, and that is what I have to sell you, essentially. If you are interested, I would have, if there is enough interest, I would make a course on how to select those, a tiny course, and that will be my pay for all this effort, if you will. Okay, let's take a look at the trades that I have in mind. SBUX, Starbucks. Hard to imagine people going and having coffee in public places, but look at that. It's bouncing back, and we have a buy signal here. Okay, so this is my trade. It's on a diagonal, and the trade is going to cost me $162. If I did two of them, $325. So I'm going to make two of them. How about that? Yes. And my maximum profit will be if we land here at expiration on the first expiration, and will be $600. But if the stock rallies strongly and goes above it, we would make a minimum of 174. But anything in between can happen, even the going against us. That's my trade there. Okay, there is a very good reason related to volatility as to why I picked these diagonals, and I will discuss that in my course. Okay, here we go. That's Starbucks. Next online is Qualcomm, and I believe it's bottoming out, and we're going to enter a trade here, and this trade is going to cost me $207 with a potential maximum profit of 280, 302, and a minimum, if it goes higher, of $43. Okay, confirm and send that. That's my second trade. My third trade is PYPL, PayPal. And this looks good too. Let's see. My trade here cost me $254, a maximum of $768. That's because I'm picking June for my long and 15th of May for my short. Okay, so this is a little more longer term, and that's the trade. And as I said, investing $250, okay? Next online is Netflix. I decided not to. Microsoft is next online. Yeah, this looks good too. I'm investing $364 maximum here, $679. Another diagonal. See the theme here? I'm picking diagonals on the bounce, right? That is, I'm not taking a huge chance, but it could be that the stock will be going high enough to give me a little bit of a profit, and I'll be watching like a hawk, because I think we started a bear market. We're going to have a bear market bounce. Okay, it doesn't mean we are going to go to new highs. So be careful with those. I'm having plenty of bullish trades here, but that doesn't mean I'm long-term bullish. I'm merely short-term bullish. Okay, LVS, Las Vegas Sand, that's another diagonal. And in this case, I'm investing $259 to make $467. I presume you're taking note of my strike prices here. If not, please reverse the video and make sure that you have them all correctly as to the expiration date, the strike price, and the number of lots, or the number of calls and puts, or whatever it happens to be. In this case, we have one long call, one long put. I'm sorry. We have two calls, one long and one short. That's the way it goes. Okay. Notice that the markets are very high in volatility, so you can sell puts instead of buying stock and then wait until you're assigned. Okay, that's not a bad idea when the volatility is so high as 188. I prefer not to do that, not because it's not viable, but because we have decided that we were going to go verticals and diagonals in this account. Okay, so I'm trying to limit that. Okay, next, Illumina, I believe. Yeah, that's another diagonal here. I'm risking $394. That's a little bit high, but the reward is $739. So let's do that. And notice that my cash and sweep vehicle, that's essentially the cash value of the account, okay? So $33,000. I also consider BIG, but I don't think it worked. Yeah, this doesn't look too good. Let's see. I would be investing $228 to make $252. Not sure where we are, so I'm going to click here on the plus sign, and this is where we are right now. 13. Let's do it. BIG. July, April. See, that's the problem right there. Do we have a May? No. Let's do it. I'm investing $228. Remember that? Okay, so if and when they feel that we'll all be going to the bullish trades, but let's see if they feel. We have plenty of bullish trades, as you can see here. Some of them are losers, but perhaps we have a chance of making it. Okay, that's all for today. Thank you very much for joining me, and good luck to you. Keep it safe. Bye-bye.
For this video. Please be sure to subscribe to this channel by clicking on the subscribe button below. Once you have done that, be sure to also click on the bell so you get a notification of future videos coming up in this channel. Be sure also to click like if you enjoyed this video, and feel free to share it with your friends and family. Thank you very much. Don't forget to visit www.putgoldgenie.com. Then go and subscribe. You could simply subscribe as a visitor. It is free, and you would have access to several videos of interest for traders. You would be directed to this registration page. It is free. Once you have subscribed as a visitor, feel free to go to the tutorials and select the free videos. These are videos of general interest for all traders. Thank you very much.